Optimism isn't a belief that things will automatically get better. It's a conviction that we can make things better. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's uplifting episode of 7 Good Minutes, we explore the dynamic duo of positive thinking and transforming challenges into opportunities. Enjoy. The power of positive thinking isn't just a cliche. It's a transformative approach that can turn the way you face life's challenges on its head. Imagine viewing obstacles not as impassable barriers, but as stepping stones towards growth and success. This shift in perspective doesn't deny the reality of problems, but chooses to approach them with a mindset that seeks solutions and opportunities for learning. By adopting a positive outlook, you empower yourself to navigate through tough times with resilience and creativity. Start by acknowledging the challenges you face, then consciously look for a silver lining or a lesson to be learned. This isn't about masking the truth with positivity, but about choosing a perspective that encourages growth and perseverance. Recognizing and reframing negative thoughts is a crucial step in embracing positive thinking. It's natural for the mind to dwell on setbacks or to anticipate the worst outcomes, but such thoughts only serve to increase stress and hinder problem solving. Begin by becoming aware of your negative thought patterns. Notice when you're being overly critical or pessimistic and pause. Challenge these thoughts by asking yourself if they're truly accurate or if there's a more positive angle you're overlooking. Reframing involves consciously choosing to replace negative thoughts with more positive, realistic ones. For instance, instead of thinking, "I'll never get through this," try, "This is challenging, but I can handle it step by step." This practice gradually shifts your mindset towards a more optimistic outlook. Practical strategies for cultivating a positive mindset can significantly influence your ability to transform challenges into opportunities. Start with gratitude. By focusing on what you're thankful for, you naturally shift your attention away from problems and towards positivity. Setting small, achievable goals can also foster a sense of accomplishment and momentum. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences, whether people, books, or environments, can reinforce your optimistic outlook. Engage in activities that boost your mood, like exercise, hobbies, or spending time in nature. Remember, positivity is a choice that becomes easier with practice and intention. The role of resilience in turning obstacles into opportunities cannot be overstated. Resilience is that inner strength that allows you to recover from setbacks and to keep moving forward. It's closely tied to positive thinking, as it involves viewing difficulties not as endpoints, but as parts of the journey. To build resilience, focus on developing a strong support network, practicing self-care, and maintaining a growth mindset. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself what you can learn from it and how it might actually help you grow. This approach doesn't just help you overcome current obstacles, but also prepares you for future ones, making you stronger and more adaptable. Positive thinking in action is best illustrated by real-life success stories. Consider the tales of individuals who faced significant challenges, yet managed to overcome them through a positive mindset and resilience. These stories often share common themes: a refusal to give up, the ability to see beyond immediate setbacks, and the creative use of obstacles as opportunities for growth. Let these stories inspire you. Remember, every great achievement often starts with the decision to try, to believe in the possibility of success despite the odds. Your story could be just as inspiring to others, a testament to the power of positive thinking. Maintaining positivity through continuous practice and mindfulness is key to transforming challenges into opportunities. Like any skill, positive thinking gets stronger with regular exercise. Mindfulness, the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment, can help you sustain a positive mindset by keeping you grounded and focused. It encourages you to appreciate the now, reducing worries about the future or regrets over the past. Combine daily mindfulness with reflections on your progress, celebrating your successes, no matter how small. By committing to this practice, you'll find that positive thinking becomes not just a strategy, but a way of life, illuminating your path through both good times and bad. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening. If today's episode resonated with you, I've created something to help you take the next small step. I've put together a series of better habit guides designed for people who feel behind in life and want a simple, practical reset without overwhelm. You can explore all of them at 7goodminutes.com/guides. That's 7goodminutes.com/guides.